Alright, so here we are today with something totally new and crazy, because I haven't done this yet before, but apparently what we're trying to do here is run cable through this tube, which comes from a, we're at a house here, you know, this is the cable line. It's running from far off in the mountain, in the woods back there. There's a line running from the power, and Verizon is running underground, and it surfaces in this smaller 2-inch pipe right here. We're trying to run cable internet through this, but to save some money, the guy says if we can get a string through it, we can save ourselves the pole charge for running the line and the fiberglass. So today I saw some techniques online I'm going to try out, where we take some twine like this, and we're going to use a vacuum on this end to suck a bag and this twine approximately 500 feet or so. Here, we're gonna just walk it real quick. This is where we're going. We have to go all the way up this yard. We're gonna keep going up here. You can kind of see the lay of the land where it's a little bit less trees and stuff, because this is where the line goes. So we're going all the way up here. Just to give you an idea, it's got to be over 500 feet or so. So here we go, coming up to the container. There's the shipping container project coming up soon. More on that later. So yeah, we're gonna come up here. We're gonna suck. This is, I don't know if this is even gonna work, guys, but we're gonna suck this bag all the way down this whole way. And as you can see, it's not very short, actually. It's quite a bit. So here we go. We're getting there. Okay. So here's the line. Here's the pole. I've already started digging out to expose the pipes down here. I started that, but what we're going to do now is open up this pipe here, and I'm going to run some of this line straight down the tower road here, so it's a nice easy pull straight down that. And then I have some walkie-talkies, and my girlfriend's going to be in the house down there with the vacuum while I put the bag in, and I'm going to give her the signal to go, and we're going to see if this technique works. It would be pretty awesome if it did. So alright, so here we are. We've got the vacuum down here, but I've already gone ahead and taken this caulk out. I just put a screwdriver in there and pulled all this out. And then there's the paper towel in here to stop the caulking from going down the pipe. We pull that out. And there you go. We've got a good, hopefully a decent shot to get down there now. We'll pull this out of the way as much as we can. We don't even use the Verizon cable, but apparently it's illegal to use that to pull their line through because Verizon doesn't want people touching their stuff. Go figure. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get the bag up here. I'm going to start pulling the twine up, back up to where we just came from, and to get a decent, like, sort of estimate of how much length we're going to need. And then once I get up there, I'll pull it straight, like I mentioned, down the tower road. And so hopefully it will stop any tangling from happening. And we'll figure this out. Alright, so we've got the spool on here. We've got her holding it in the back there. And we're just going to take this whole thing and get a good estimate of where we're going. So I'm going to take this. Alright, so here we go. That's about where I want to be. Around this line all the way down to the house. Whew. Doesn't look like it, but that's quite an uphill battle. And I'm going to pull back and walk the line all the way down there so it's straight. We'll tape off the vacuum down there and get this bag suited up, sized up, and for this hole here. I'm almost thinking I might want to put a piece of tape in there just to hold that steady against the back there. And then we'll just tape this hose on the top. Alright, so take this, Get that against the back wall if we can. So I think what we're going to do is put a piece of tape on the line up there, so once this gets sucked through, it will enter the vacuum, and then that line will come past the tube, and I'll know technically it's made it all the way down here. And we're going to just put this on here and hope for the best. Put that on there as close as you can. Get it around that back side. Seems to be pretty good. Pretty airtight. See what it sounds like. Oh yeah. So you can see, watch the hose. You can tell we're getting compression because if you watch the hose, it's getting sucked down. So that means something good because we didn't pull the plug up there. So I think that that's a positive sign. All right, so we're back up here once again. So what I'm going to do now is put a piece of tape, because we know we have enough down there. I'm going to put a piece of tape around this line here, and then I'm going to pull this whole line back straight. So when she turns the vacuum on, I can watch for that piece of tape, and then I can tell when it's getting close. Hopefully, in theory, that's all good. So I'm going to stick this on here because it's hard to hold and film at the same time. So, okay, so I've got the tape flagged right there, and I'm just going to pull this thing back straight. So I have a nice straight shot. We're going to go all the way back here to the tower road. Probably almost up to the fire tower at this point. Do this. You can see how far that hole is from here. It's quite a ways. All right, I'm pulling again. She's on the other end waiting for the end. All right. Close? Damn, it's gotta be close. Almost to the fire tower.
I've got the end where I'm standing.
Okay.
Hey.
We close?
Yep. I have the end. I'm holding it right here. I got the end at the pipe.
All right, so we're down here at the end. You can see how far up we made it. How far up I had to walk. Now we're down here. We're going to attach the bag and pull this piece out here with the screwdriver. So what I'll do next is break that pipe. We have to pull that out anyway. That's not a big deal, because when they come up to put this pipe in, he says we have to have exposed pipe all the way down. So this is going to have to come out anyway. We're going to just try to get this in. So we're going to get this bag fit, see how that works, and then tie the string on there. That should be good, because then if it sucks open, it should fill. See what happens. I don't know, it might be a little bit much. I think some of the air is going to come out as it goes down anyway. So.
Yeah.
Let's just see. This is the first shot, so
Take one.
we'll try this. If it doesn't work, it's no loss yet. God, these flies are terrible today. I don't know if you can see those buggers, but they're everywhere. Jeez.
Yes, I am.
All right, so she's down there now, and I say, well, go ahead and let her rip and see what happens. We'll just give it a go. I'm not even going to touch it. Yep. Oh, it's going. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's going. I think I might end up having to pull the pipe where I cracked it because I'm getting suction from there, I think.
Cut it for now.
It's off.
I think I'm losing suction where I had that crack, so I'm going to try to pull the pipe off.
Roger.
All right, so now I've cut the pipe back down to where it broke, so I think we're going to be all right here. And that's what we get. So I'm going to go ahead and feed it in there, and we'll see if we can get around this wire this time. If I go in like that, it's down against the back wall. That's what we want. So let me try this again. All right, so she turned the vacuum back on, and I'm going to go ahead and try to put this in. Oh, yep. Ooh, yep, that seems better. Yep, oh, good. Yep, it's taking it. It's taking it. Yeah, it's taking it. It's taking it. All I'm doing is pulling it forward and feeding it down. Yeah, it's going, it's going, it's going. All right, I'm gonna put down the camera, I think. Oh, yeah. What? Yep. Uh-oh. Yep. Come on. Come on. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're getting stuck down there. All right, so we got about halfway there and we started bogging down. I think there's some moisture down there. The line did come out kind of damp. So what I did was I pulled this back out, and instead of filling it with air, I just put some of the, man, these bugs are killing me today. I put some of the other bag in there to give it some girth. So now when I put that in there, it should kind of take up more of that tubing. So I'm gonna have her down. She's down there now. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in there and see how that feels. See if that will go down there. See what happens there. All right, let's hope for the best. These freaking flies, oh my God. They got me bleeding. They got me bleeding and shit. Turn it on. Oop, took some of it. All right, I gotta put the camera down. All right, so my flag is here. I found the flag. Where's the flag? There's the flag. The flag is very close to the end. And she said there's water coming out down the other side.
A bunch of water's coming in.
So I think we're probably close. I'm gonna go down there and see what's up. It's gotta be pretty freaking close. And before I suck it through all the way, what I'm gonna do is tie this off up here since I know we're almost there. All right, so we're down here. I did get some water out, so hopefully it's in here. Actually, before I even do anything, I'd like to see cable in there, which I don't. That's not good.
Well,
Unless it's just stuck right here.
could be.
Yes! Yes! There's my bag!
Woo!
Look at this!
Yay!
Look at that! And you know why it wasn't coming out? Because it went behind the cable. But
Use
no
the string.
So it's probably close. Fuck, maybe
Use
I can
the hose.
suck it through.
See, yeah. Should put the. Wait, no. Yeah, they need the suction attached.
Come on,
Exciting.
we're so close, man.
I know.
I don't want to pull this all the way back. Alright, so that last idea worked, but it just got caught up at the end. So we know it works. I'm going to try the same theory this time with a different bag, a little more sleek, and then we're going to put this one in that bag. And then see how this goes. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about that. So we'll go ahead, tie this up around the end of this guy. Oh, these bugs, my God. Come on, bugs. So we tie one, tie two, and then pull the bug through. All right. Let's see how that goes. Then we'll take a little bit of this bag off. All right. All right. Let's see how this goes. Oh, these bugs. There might be a little too much air in there. Okay. Okay, let's get the walkie-talkie. All right. All right, you ready? Go ahead and turn it on.
Okay, turning it on now.
Okay. We have suction. Oof, that's a tight one. Oop. Yep. It's going. Oh. Come on. Oh, it's getting hung up on the trees. All right, we're nearing. There we go. Just going good now. I can see the end. All right, we're there.
It's pulling water. I don't know what else is, how far you are.
I can see the flag. It's about where it was last time. So let's just keep the suction on for a minute. Yeah, it's. All right, turn it off. I'm coming back down. Well, folks, after 2.5 basically attempts, we have the bag. And it is out. So that's $250 saved. That's fantastic. All right, now what? Now we got to dig out the rest of this so they can get in here, and I got to go fill the hole up there so when it rains it doesn't fill up the whole pipe with water. But yeah, that works. So that's pretty significant, folks. That's over 500 feet of distance pretty much with a vacuum and a line. So that's pretty awesome. I'm pretty happy about that. But yeah, so there you go. I guess that's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. If you got a similar issue, might be worth a shot. Until next time, thanks for watching.